Great to see you, my friend. My name is Maverick, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can collect emails without a website. Okay, so a lot of people have been thinking if they need a website for them to be able to build their email list and being able to mail out there and do a lot of stuff concerning email marketing. But the truth of the matter is that you don't need to have a website before you can build your email list. I'm going to be walking you through and showing you exactly some of the few methods that you can use to build your email list and collect emails without a website. Okay, so the first one we're going to be talking here is using a tool called AWeber. Now, AWeber is an email autoresponder software whereby you can use to schedule emails, send out broadcast emails, newsletter, and a lot of stuff. AWeber is a top email automation tool out there that almost everybody familiar with email marketing already knows about AWeber. But in case you don't know about AWeber, then it's fine. You can just go all the way to aweber.com and register an account. But the thing about this tool, which I like it, is that compared to all others, autoresponders out there, email autoresponder, AWeber's landing pages are superb, and you can use it to build landing page, and you can easily use the landing page to collect email address, meaning you don't even have to start integrating the API to one landing page or starting to copy the HTML code to any page. They are going to generate landing pages for you. So let me just show you exactly what that looks like. Okay, so right here we have AWeber right here, and if I'm to tap here, you can see. So once you just register an account with AWeber, you can use it for free. Okay, so you just come right here to the menu and you can see pages and forms right here. Okay, so you can see landing pages. The moment you click on landing pages, you tap on create new page, and you're gonna see a whole lot of landing pages right here that you can make use of. You can see a lot of templates right here. You can create from the scratch. You can see all these templates are what you can easily use, and you can generate your own link. And the moment you generate the link, you can paste it on any platform right there, and you can use it to generate your email. You can use it to collect email addresses easily. So you have tons of templates here that are free, and you can use all of them. Okay, all these templates are free for you. You can see ebook template, a lot of templates right there that you can use, product templates, whatever template it is. You can use AWeber's landing page to create your own squeeze page or an opt-in page where you can collect the email address. And this is super easy because I use AWeber a lot, and it helps me superb and all the time. Now, the second we're going to be talking about here is called Google Sites. Okay, so now going to sites.google.com, sites.google.com, and you can also use Google Sites to collect email address. So let's head straight there and let me show you how that works. So right here is Google Site, and as you can see that you have a little bit of some template here, and you can also use Google Site the moment you just click on this plus icon in the blank, and you're gonna get templates also that you can use. You can see a lot of templates right there, the template gallery, and you can use Google Sites also to build a landing page. Okay, so that is what you just need Google Sites for. You can use it to build a landing page, and you can easily just generate your opt-in code, okay, your opt-in form from your email autoresponder, maybe AWeber or ConvertKit or MailChimp, whichever one it is. You can easily generate your opt-in form, and you can copy the HTML and paste it right here on Google Site. So Google Site is just a landing page builder. Okay, so in case you don't have a website or you don't have the fund to go for all these expensive page builders like ClickFunnels and all that, you can use Google Site, okay, to create your landing page, and you can just copy the HTML of the opt-in form and paste it on your Google Site, and you will be good to go. So now the third on the list, which we're going to be talking about, is using Facebook groups. Okay, yeah, so when you have a Facebook group, you can privatize the Facebook group. Okay, so the moment you have a Facebook group, you just go straight to Facebook. You already have a Facebook account, and if you don't have, you can create a Facebook account and go straight there, create a group, and make sure that it is private. Okay, so when it is private, it makes you to be able to verify them before they got approval. Okay, so instead of making it public group, a public group is a group whereby everybody can join. Okay, but once it is private, you can ask them questions. Okay, in the private, if you join some groups, you see that you got to be asked some questions. Okay, so you can make that your home priority, so you can ask for their email address. Okay, and you can tell them, give me your email address so that I can send you a freebie or whatever it is, and you ask them. This way they're gonna give you their email address, and aside that, you also build your Facebook group. So Facebook group is a very fantastic method that a lot of marketers out there are using to build their email list. Okay, so using Facebook group and a private Facebook group, you can give them questions to answer before they join the group, and in the question is them giving you their email address. Okay, so now the fourth on the list is using Google Doc or Forms. Okay, so using Google Doc by going to docs.google.com, okay, you'll be able to also create your own Google Doc. Okay, you can, Google Doc, it's just more like you creating a document. Okay, so when you create a document, for them to be able to get access, then they need to send an invite. Okay, so they will need to send an invite to you that they want to access the doc. So the moment you send the invite, Google is going to notify you in your email or your Gmail, and you're gonna approve them before they're gonna get access. And the moment you approve them, you already have the email address, because this way it's more like Google, you guys are interacting with each other through the use of Google. And for them to access your document file, they have to send an invite. Okay, another one is the Google Forms. Okay, so going to docs.google.com/forms, you're gonna be able to get to the forms. You see this, you have doc sheets, slides, and forms here. So everything is kind of in the same page. Okay, Google Form and Google Doc is in the same page. So once you go to docs.google.com, rather, come into the menu, you're gonna see them here. You can see the forms at the down below. So once you do that, you can create a Google form. Okay, a form is just like a questionnaire. Okay, so the moment they write everything, you can just ask them for their email address. Okay, in the form. Okay, so it's just like you sending a questionnaire. A lot of companies, big brands, use this method to also collect details. Okay, they use Google Forms to collect data about something. Maybe you want to ask questions, but you can also use it to collect email address. Okay, so this way you can collect email address easily. Maybe you have a YouTube channel or your social media accounts, your social media pages. You can just decide to put the Google form link, okay, there, and they can click on it, input their email address, and then when they are done, everything is gonna be on your answer page. Okay, so in the Google form, you'll be able to get everywhere where the answers have been answered. So that is where you're gonna get their email address, and you can easily move them to the Google sheet, and you can copy everything and send them emails anytime you want. So that is about this, my friend. These are the 4 or 5 methods that I know that works very well without you needing to have a website, or without you needing to spend a dime on you launching a website, or trying to spend money on creating landing pages out there. Okay, so this is what I have for you, friend. But before I leave you, if you're the kind of person that you do email marketing, because I know the major reason why you need emails is because you want to start building your brand, you want to start promoting with email, and email marketing is the best way for you to keep making money out there, because you don't have to bother about maybe Google's algorithm, or your advert is not working, or social media dropping your content and not showing it to all your followers. But with emails, you can send out emails to all your subscribers, and you can be guaranteed to make sales. But it doesn't just work that way. You need to build a relationship with your list, and not everybody is good in email copywriting. That is why I have email swipes. Okay, it consists of 5001 email swipe that I use for myself, but I'm also recommending it to you so that you can actually make use of these. Okay, this email swipes, you can make use of them, and you can use it to crush your email marketing journey. Now, you can use this 5001 email swipes to sell e-commerce product, affiliate products, coaching programs, courses, whatever it is. You can use it to sell any program, any product, digital products out there. Okay, now if you want to learn more about this email swipe and you're wondering exactly what it's all about, just click the link in the video description. Okay, you're gonna see a link in the video description. Click on it, and it's gonna take you to a page exactly where I show you about how this email swipes works, and how you can get your first class access to the email swipes as quick as possible. So I want to see you right there, my friend. Click the link now, or if you check the screen now, you're gonna see a link there also. You can copy the link out or paste it on your browser, and you're gonna land on that page where you're gonna get access to the 5001 email swipes. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. See you right there. Peace.